Hello, hello YouTube. This is Tommy Cunningham coming to you live from Bloomington, Indiana. This is like what the area looks like where the Excel Center is right over there. Sylvan Learning Center is back there. There's the Enterprise over here. So the Mexican place is over there. So also let you guys know some news coming up. We also I have a trip coming up. I feel really excited about. It's with my mom, my grandma Higgins. Plus also, get this, I was actually there at the Sylvan Learning Center when I was in the first grade. So back then in the first grade, I was over there and my mom did not like it. The tuition rate was way down. They had a lot of problems. Also, I started not drinking coffee late at night, and I started a new calling. I started only listening to radio scanners on my phone instead of doing it every day on my BCN 355N at home. Plus I also have my BC 125AT, and that's already programmed for Evansville. And I gotta tell you guys something. With that going on and a couple other stuff, we are getting busy on a life of Tommy C. So that thing right over there, it's the world famous picture thing that they do there at the Excel Center. So also to show you guys, that over there, right over there is where you come in. They got a couple of those right there. They got a couple of those down there. It's a lot of different stuff here. And also let you guys know, there is multiple things you guys can do here in Bloomington, otherwise school-wise in the Excel Center. You guys can go to Broadview Learning Center, and then the Indiana Connections Academy can help you, and a couple other places can help you too. So honestly, to let you guys know, I tried out the Broadview Learning Center. That place was kind of not my favorite. It wasn't because of that you guys had to show an ID when you guys go in. It's because I did not understand what were Like, what were the official standpoints of it? Like, they had some, like, really interesting standpoints, I have to say. Like, this place, the Excel Center, you guys will get your high school diploma. And at other places, like, here, let me show you some of their papers over here. So, excuse